If you go to Google and search DraftKick promo code and you are not able to find any single working promo code because these all codes are expired, and here I am going to share working code which you can use right now. If you are old or new user, you will get sign up offer, bonus and many more things. So watch this video till end to use this code and get amazing bonuses in your DraftKick account. So how you can use it? Simply add this on the reward section and you will get bonuses and sign up offers and discounts by using simple this code which I'm going to share you right now. And if you want more code like this, simply go to YouTube and search DraftKings promo code, and you are able to find my videos which I created in past. Let me show you my videos. Simply let me show you my videos. Just scroll down and you are able to find this is my videos. The coupon codes is still working, you can go and check that out. This is another, and let me show you, this is another code. This two are another, you can check that too because few coupon codes are still working on that video and you can use it. And here is the two fresh working code you can use right now. So this is code number first where you will get $24 bonuses by using this code. This is second where you will get deposit bonus by using this code. So these two codes are currently working right now and you can use it in DraftKings. If you are from any country, you can simply use it. If it is working for you, just hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more.